Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you eat kale every day? Well, let's embark on an incredible journey of discovery about this leafy green, often hailed as the queen of greens. Packed with a staggering array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, kale truly lives up to its reputation as a superfood. Just a single cup of chopped kale, for instance, contains more than a day's worth of vitamins A, K, and C. But the goodness doesn't stop there. Kale is also brimming with minerals like calcium, potassium, and magnesium, all of which play crucial roles in your body's daily functions. And let's not forget about those powerful antioxidants. They're like the body's personal army, warding off harmful elements and keeping you in tip-top shape. Kale, with its rich nutritional profile, can provide your body with the essential nutrients it needs to thrive. So the next time you're thinking about what to put in your salad, remember the powerhouse of nutrients that is kale. Starting from the top, let's see how kale affects your brain and eyes. This leafy green powerhouse is packed with nutrients essential for our body's health, including two in particular that are vital for our eyes: lutein and zeaxanthin. These two antioxidants act as a natural sunblock for our eyes, absorbing excess light that can damage our vision over time. They also help ward off age-related eye conditions such as macular degeneration and cataracts. But the benefits of kale don't stop there. It's also a great source of omega-3 fatty acids. You may have heard of these being referred to as brain food, and for good reason. Omega-3s are crucial for brain health, playing a vital role in cognitive function and mental well-being. They help build cell membranes in the brain and have been linked to preventing cognitive decline as we age. So, eating kale regularly can keep your eyes sharp and your brain in top shape. Moving downwards, let's see how kale benefits the heart and digestive system. This leafy green is a heart's best friend. It's packed with fiber, potassium, vitamin C, and vitamin B6, all of which are known for their heart-healthy properties. Fiber helps to lower the amount of cholesterol in the blood, reducing the risk of heart disease. Potassium plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy heart rhythm and blood pressure, while vitamin C and B6 contribute to the overall cardiovascular health. But it doesn't stop at the heart. Kale is equally beneficial for your digestive system. The high fiber and water content in kale work in tandem to promote a healthy digestive tract. Fiber adds bulk to your diet, aiding in digestion and preventing constipation. The water content in kale keeps you hydrated and helps your body absorb essential nutrients. With kale in your diet, you're giving your heart and digestive system a healthy boost. Lastly, let's not forget the impact of kale on our bones and overall body strength. This leafy green vegetable is a powerhouse of nutrients, with one of the most important being vitamin K. This vitamin plays a pivotal role in maintaining bone health. It aids in the production of proteins necessary for bone metabolism and helps in the prevention of osteoporosis, a condition characterized by weak and fragile bones. But that's not all. Kale is also a good source of iron and protein, two vital nutrients that contribute to overall body strength and vitality. Iron is essential for the production of red blood cells, which carry oxygen to our muscles and tissues, thus keeping us energized. Protein, on the other hand, is the building block of our muscles. It helps in muscle growth and repair, leading to increased strength and endurance. So, consuming kale daily can keep your bones strong and your body energized. So, what's the takeaway from our kale tale today? In a nutshell, daily kale consumption can boost brain and eye health, strengthen heart and digestive function, and fortify bones and overall body strength. Eating kale every day can provide a wealth of health benefits, one leaf at a time.